Share market IPO. The share market IPO, an interesting topic indeed. An IPO, or initial public offering, is when a private company offers its shares to the public for the first time. It is a way for companies to raise capital and become publicly traded. During an IPO, shares of the company are offered to investors, who can then buy and trade those shares on the share market. It can be an exciting opportunity for investors to get in on the ground floor of a potentially promising company. However, it's important to note that investing in IPOs can be risky. The share price of a newly listed company can be volatile and subject to significant fluctuations. It's crucial to thoroughly research the company's financials, business model, and prospects before considering investing in an IPO. Additionally, IPOs can be oversubscribed, meaning there is high demand for the shares, which can drive up the price. It's important to carefully evaluate the valuation and consider whether the shares are priced reasonably. Overall, investing in IPOs can be a way to potentially participate in the growth of a company, but it's important to approach it with caution and conduct thorough due diligence. Welcome to Ask Share Market. It helps you for how to earn from share market. It also gives all basic information regarding share market. It provides all strategy regarding trade in share market to earn and learn. Always welcomes your queries regarding share market.